Temi eagerly stands in front of his classmates, a big smile on his face, ready to share fascinating facts about his African culture for the school project. Did you know that Africa is the second largest continent in the world, with a rich history and diverse cultures? Temi's voice fills the room with excitement as he delves into the significance of traditional African clothing, showcasing vibrant colors and intricate designs. He describes the traditional African music and dances, explaining how they play a vital role in celebrations and storytelling within his culture. Temi concludes his presentation by emphasizing the importance of preserving and celebrating African heritage, inspiring his classmates to appreciate the beauty of diversity. As the bell rings, signaling the end of the school day, Temi is surrounded by classmates eager to learn more about his culture, sparking meaningful conversations and bridging cultural gaps.